use of the stick, broke that pass up. HV71's controlling play now up the wing. Decides to head for the corner. Ranks one. Oh, stared him down and made the save. Took that wrist shot. Paddled aside. Nice. Pass to the slot. Oh, poke check saved one there. Pass to the shooting position. And he picks it up. It's on his stick. What a brilliant pass that was. Lets it go. Terrific challenge. Outstanding save.
You want to score goals, you have to go to this area. You got to find a way to put it in the net.
Gains the blue line. Passes to the slot. Shoots. Wonderful work in close and a brilliant save. At the front of the net. Oh, stick save. Pulls his way along.
It's only a matter of time.
Skates out with it. And he gets it back. He scores!
In order to have puck support like that, you got to move your feet. Move the puck, move yourself, and you're going to be rewarded with a goal.
The passer recognizes that he's got to get the puck up in the air, but he displays sweet hands as it goes just over the stick and lands flat on the ice.
They win the draw and will now set up an attack.
23, assisted by number
To Roy.
and by number 84.
Billings is looking toward center from his own end. HV71's got it along the side. That one sent geometrically to the opposite corner. Takes it to the corner. Great stick work prevents the pass from being complete. Lin Ping's moving the puck up the wing. Ripper! Oh, and he misses.
He can't miss by a much smaller margin than that. He rifled it just wide of the net.
Solid job of holding the pressure on. Shoots! He scores! That's 3 in a row.
You want to score goals, you got to get to this area of the ice.
Enzo, just because you're in the butterfly doesn't mean you can give in to the shooter. You still have to move. He looked like he thought he was in perfect shape to make the stop and didn't have to move. Bad guess.
Just over 6 minutes left in the first. Do you see a pattern developing here? They're up now by 3. They've got the draw.
Scored by number 20.
Gets in. What'll he do?
Assisted by number 8, Derek Warren. And by number
Lets it go. Oh, that one hit someone on the way.
13 minutes, 48 seconds.
To the point it comes. Hammered. Great opportunity denied.
Boy, he really had to battle through to see that screen shot.
Out in front, a shot. Didn't have time, but he saved it anyway.
Great extra effort.
Swung back to the point. Didn't miss by much. Great pressure. Big save. Gets it back. Lin Ping's in possession as they travel along the boards. Shoots a wrister. Stays on side to the middle. A good stick there, so no complete pass. The clock bleeds down to the last minute. Just missed the net.
You have to give yourself a chance. That puck cannot miss the net like that.
Pressing on with it up the wing. Taken away.
Ping's just caused another turnover. That's a big reason, Doc, they have a huge lead in this game.
Shoots one. The first period has come to a close in a high-scoring game for one team.
Programs for tonight's game are available on the concourse, featuring complete player listings for both teams, player bios, and informative stories.
HV71 suffering in net. Probably their whole team play needs to be re-examined during this intermission, but the goaltenders had a rough night Here's an example as we go to break. Second period about to begin here. Let's take a look back at the first. What stuck out for you?
Linköping is up by a few, Doc, but I would have to think their coaching staff would want them to continue where they left off offensively in that first period.
Little pass that can start some progress ahead. Back in his defensive end to get it. Loose puck, the defense was in the way. A good, solid pass, and they can move ahead up that right wing. Knocks it away with the stick. HV71's carrying on up the wing. Good place, got his stick on it. Larson's in his own end, headed toward center. Breakaway! Outstanding save with a glove.
That slight hesitation by the shooter allowed the goaltender to make a beautiful glove save.
Gustafson's going to be able to make that save all day. His positioning is perfect. It's not a difficult scoring chance.
Clean win on the draw. HV71's carrying it in the defensive zone. Gets in, looks over his options here. Good place to shoot from. Great save. Puck grab, they've got it ready. Held to the glass. Skate kick out of the scrum. Pass up that right wing, and he's got it. Knocked it away with the stick. Shoots. Great save in close.
Not often you're all alone in front of the goaltender from this area of the ice. Great save.
Been a long time since this wasn't the garden variety stop for a goalie. Down in the butterfly, turned aside.
Solid, clean win. Gets that one on across. Oh, how can they miss that pass? Lin Xiaoping's controlling the play at center ice. And that's an offside. Just a tad under 8 minutes have gone by. There have been 3 goals in this game. They've all come from one team. And they've won the faceoff. Moving it to Roy. Into the attacking end. And he missed it.
Guaranteed the goalie never saw it, but I know he heard it. That's how hard it was.
Good use of the stick. Broke that pass up. Attack zone possession here. HV71's finding its way to center ice. Thrown in. Picks it up back there. Lin Xiaoping's in possession as they travel the boards. Flips that wrist shot. Great glove save, but it's loose. Nice face-off work. HV71's in control of the puck in the defensive zone. Moved along and in. Got that! Tremendous scoring chance. Back to the point. Fires! Had the goalie beat and glanced it off the post. Good grab again. Lin Xiaoping's carrying it on through the area between the blue lines. The stick can break up a play, and it just did. Continues in their own end. HV71's lugging it along the side. Turned the wrist shot. Wonderful save. Good quick poke check there. Lets it go. Save. Score! They're back to within 2 now.
From a horrible angle, he got just enough of the puck, and it ended up beating the goaltender.
It looks to me sometimes as the goaltender's guessing a bit, and when he guesses, he drops into the default butterfly position to see if he can cover enough net.
HV71s found themselves back in this game. They trail only by 2, and we're still in the second period, though late.
And they take that neutral zone face-off.
By number 10, Martin Thornhill.
Lynn Choping's got possession in the defensive zone.
Matthias Tedemby. And by number 29,
And play stopped because of an offside.
17 minutes, 10 seconds.
And they've won the neutral zone face-off. You win that, and you don't have to chase. They chase you. Terrific save.
Choping's really taken the air out of the game defensively, Doc. Their goaltender hasn't had much to do, but he stopped the shots that he's had to.
Good, solid defensive play with the stick. HV71 starting from their own zone. Gains the zone. He's got that pass at the point. Hammers one. Oh, what a move. That's 2 periods in the books. 1 more to go, but a rest comes first.
Be sure to attend our Auto and Light Truck Show next weekend and get a sneak peek at next year's models from the world's top automobile manufacturers.
HV71's gotten some momentum and some encouragement by the scoring of this goal. Will it continue? We'll learn that when we come back after these words.
Opening face-off of the 3rd period has started it. Good solid defensive play there.
Lynn Choping's carrying on at center ice.
Nicely into the zone. Fires a shot. Held there for a face-off coming up next. Defensive zone win. Blocked away. Got that pass near the blue line and now looks ahead.
Lynn Choping's organizing things back in the defensive zone.
He can start some danger here. Great take, dangerous area.
HV71 setting things up in their own end.
Broke that play up at center. He gets that pass ahead in stride. Fires. Oh, what a save. Right there on the money, the left wing pass.
Lynn Choping's continuing along the Hercules.
Terrific glove save. Puck covered, whistle blown.
Pretty routine stop. You can see why everybody learns the butterfly when they're a young kid. Takes away the bottom of the net.
A little under 6 minutes have transpired in the 3rd. A 2-goal spread in this one, 3-1. Nicely received at the point. Wonderful block.
Moving it on up the wing.
Gains the zone. Oh, great cut. Feeds the point. Thrown to the slot.
Lin Choping's in their own end and in possession. Terrific determination by Berglund. Using the point. Good hand to eye and the reach of the stick. Takes that right wing pass perfectly. Shot on. Terrific glove save, but it's loose. Shoots. Deflected off the blocker. Lin Choping's on the move in neutral ice. Brings the shot. He scores!
You get this, you got to snap it quick.
Low to the stick side, the goaltender can't get to it.
Lin Choping's goal has built an even bigger lead. We're in the third period. For the opposition, at least that is fortunate. Solid win at center ice. Now what?
Number 18, Jacob Lunia, assisted by number 8,
Lin Choping's looking to head man up the wing.
Muller, time of the goal, 11 minutes, 43
Took it
seconds.
in the corner and took a look too. And down to Roy. HV's moving the puck in the defensive zone. Moves it to the barrier at center ice. Fires, sticked away. Hey Ray, what's going on down there?
Gustafson's been a major factor in the way this game has played out. He was exceptional, in particular early in the game as his team struggled. Look how fortunate his team is that he's played like this.
No, you're right, Ray. Eddie and I agree. It's just another one in a long line of tremendous performances by him. Just a bit under 6 minutes to go. Do you see a pattern developing here? They're up now by 3. They win the draw. A hammer shot from the point. Lin Choping's on the move, hoping to wheel it up the wing. He's in front with it. Got it in his own end. Score! Another step in the road back. They're down by 2.
Thankfully, that shot did not hit the goaltender because that thing was labeled.
The butterflies become a default position for the goaltender, Edzo, and while the shot is nice,
Goal gets them to within 2. There is still time, thus there is still hope. It's a good thing. And they've taken that face-off between the blue lines and won it. The pass is off the mark. What a chance that would have been. Taken away.
16 minutes, 15 seconds.
Has it picked up. Gets in and he'll look over his options. Moves to the corner. Could be trouble near the line. It's a point hammer shot.
1 minute left.
Last minute to go in the third. Lets a shot go. HV71's lugging it along in the defensive zone. There he goes, net empty. Let's take a chance here, they're saying. Shoots it off. Opportunity, but he missed the net.
That's a missed opportunity for momentum.
Onside. Net open. He had a great chance, but he has just missed the net. Net empty. Score!
There's no doubt who'll win this game tonight after that empty netter.
everybody can exhale a little bit now. Once the empty netter goes in, that pretty well wraps it up.
And the face-off's won.
Assisted by number 20, Nick
Through the corner.
Number 20, Time of the goal.
Perfect tip by the stick.
2 seconds.
Shoots one. And that's the horn. That's the hockey game. The game is ended. Well, this is a blowout, and it's not one that if you look at in the newspaper and read the box score tomorrow is going to make any sense.
A lot of shots on goal, nothing to show for it. Did not get the saves when they needed them.
So the teams have left the ice and are getting rested for next time. For this time, for Eddie and Ray, Mike Emmerich saying good night.